Hi everyone, this is my spring Tablescape collaboration for 2018, hosted by amateur decorating like a pro, Cathryn. So if you're not familiar with her channel, go check it out. With this Tablescape, I'm offering you 3 looks that you can put together with one Tablescape. Okay, enjoy. And let me know which one you like the most. You may recognize this table centerpiece that I made some time ago, and if you haven't seen it, go back to that video and check it out. You'll see different DIYs throughout the whole table. This napkin ring is one DIY. This is one of my DIYs, the bird nest and the eggs. And that bird, I picked ceramic birds from Ross or either TJ Maxx. Also included in this Tablescape is Thrifty finds. The lamp with the shade, actually that is a candle holder that I attached a shade to. And you'll see 2 placements of that on the table. My plates are Tracy Porter. This is a plate collection and platter by Tracy Porter. Also, the coffee mugs are also from Tracy Porter collection. The diamond and silver picture frame are from Ross, and they're something I've always had in my collection. The egg holders are actually DIY that I put together, and I just placed them on top of candle holders from the Dollar Tree. This is a new setting that I put together with a clear plate in the same look, but with a clear plate. And that is my second look. And the silverware setting is from Walmart Celebrated collection. And guess who just arrived on the Tablescape? That's right, return of the rabbits and the bunnies. This is my third look for this table. I would like to thank Cathryn from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for hosting this collaboration. And to see more great springtime Tablescape, you can go to her channel and check out the playlist. This small glass house is also one of my Thrifty finds. So which setting did you like? The first one, second, or third? Comment down below and let me know. Please like, share, and if you haven't seen my other home decor and DIYs, please go back and check them out. We have more home decor and DIYs to come. Thank you. And if you're not a part of my channel, please subscribe below. Remember, it's free.